In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detector under $200 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MD4030 High Metal Detector. The MD4030 metal detector, originating from mainland China, is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for detecting various metal objects, including gold and silver jewelry, coins, and other hidden metals in the ground. It features an adjustable height for comfortable use, an LCD screen for easy reading, and a waterproof search coil, allowing operation in shallow water. The detector offers multiple detection modes, including all metal and discrimination, with a sensitivity range that can detect objects up to 130 mm deep. It includes audio alerts and a pointer for detection indication, along with a headphone jack for private listening and volume control. The device is powered by two 9V batteries, not included, and is made from durable ABS plastic and aluminum, weighing approximately 1.28 kilograms and measuring 54 by 22 by 11 centimeters. The package includes the metal detector and a user manual, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. Number 2. GTX 5030 Metal Detector. The GTX 5030 metal detector, manufactured by Famiaro Millet in mainland China, is designed for both novice and experienced treasure hunters, featuring a range of user-friendly attributes. It boasts an adjustable stem for comfortable use, a clear display interface for quick data reading, and ergonomic design elements such as a handle and elbow support to accommodate users of various sizes and ages. The detector is capable of identifying a variety of metal objects, including coins, jewelry, and relics, and offers both audio alerts and a mechanical pointer to indicate metal detection. With adjustable sensitivity and volume controls, it operates in 2 modes, all metal and disc, and can detect objects at depths exceeding 180 mm. The GTX 5030 is powered by two 9V batteries, not included, and features a waterproof search coil, although the control housing is not waterproof. Available in multiple configurations, the device is suitable for diverse applications, including archaeology, exploration, and safety inspections, making it a versatile tool for metal detection enthusiasts. Number 3. MD910B Metal Detector. The Tricore Power MD910B is a versatile and user-friendly battery-powered metal detector designed for efficient treasure hunting and metal detection. It features 5 operation modes, including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, allowing users to customize their search according to their needs. The device is equipped with a large, intuitive LCD control panel with a backlight that provides essential information such as detecting depth, discrimination settings, and battery level, ensuring functionality even in low-light conditions. With a robust, 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, it is suitable for outdoor use in various environments including beaches, parks, and gardens. The adjustable height feature accommodates users of different sizes, and the detector offers 3 audio prompts to indicate the type of metal detected. Overall, the MD910B combines advanced specifications, including sensitivity control and a durable design, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced treasure hunters. Number 4. VIVER Metal Detector. The VIVER 10-inch professional metal detector is a high-precision device designed for adults, originating from mainland China and certified with CE standards. It features 7 versatile detection modes, including all metals, pinpoint, jewelry, coins, debris, ornaments, and a custom mode, making it suitable for various treasure hunting scenarios. With an adjustable handle length ranging from 41 to 52 inches, it accommodates users of different heights for a comfortable experience. The metal detector boasts an IP68 waterproof rating, allowing for use in diverse environments, whether indoors or outdoors. Its 10-inch search coil enhances portability and efficiency, while the device operates within a voltage range of 7.2-9.6 V and a frequency of 7.2 kHz. Additional features include a clear LCD backlit display, a noise level of 80 dB or more, and sensitivity up to 25 centimeters. The package comes complete with essential accessories such as a wired earphone for noisy environments, a handbag, a digging shovel, an earphone plug, and a coil protection cover, ensuring that users are well equipped for their treasure hunting adventures. Number 5. GOYOJO Metal Detector. The GOYOJO DT1 metal detector is a versatile and high-accuracy tool designed for treasure hunting and various outdoor applications, including gold finding, military use, safety inspections, and archaeology. Featuring a large LCD display, the detector provides clear information on phase value, working mode, sensitivity, and depth, among other metrics. Its 12-inch waterproof search coil allows for use in diverse environments, including underwater and on beaches. The lightweight and durable design comes with a convenient backpack for portability. The device offers multiple detection modes, including options for metal, ion removal, jewelry, relics, and a single mode for specific metal detection, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. With a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, adjustable sensitivity, and an impressive detection depth of up to 10 meters, the GOYOJO DT1 is an efficient choice for anyone interested in treasure hunting. The package includes essential accessories such as a USB cable, earphones, a backpack, and a search coil protector, ensuring a comprehensive treasure hunting experience.